Here we go. That wasn't easy, as at least not as easy as I thought it would be. Anyway, that's one garden bed removed. I kept the first one, sleeper at the front. The ones at the far end, just little sleeper at the far end, seems to have gotten rotten much more than the ones in the front. Sorry about the noise. I hope someone's all right there. Sorry about it. So the one to the sleeper at the far end was a lot more rotten, and that's why I kept in the front to just show you. That's about 5 years probably worth of rot. We didn't really do anything. We just dug up the space and put it inside, put it in the ground. That's it. But the other three sleepers are much better. They are pretty much almost new. They don't have any sort of rot. Maybe this long sleeper at the far end adds a little bit. But this little one there is the one that's got almost worse, and I don't think I can use it anymore. It's just interesting why just that alone got so much rot in it. Logically, I think it's just the moisture, but I don't know if there's anything else. I'm an amateur gardener, just for a disclaimer. I have no idea why that could be, apart from the fact that it could be moisture. But anyway, coming back to the topic and what we want to achieve today. I've removed bed number 1. The screws, I thought I would just use a drill and just remove them, but it was pretty tight, probably because they're rusted. When I put new ones back then, I thought those are rust proof, but yeah, probably not. So that took a few minutes. But anyway, we're down to one bed, and I'll keep going with the next 2 ones. So I'm going to clear up the space first, meaning the sleepers, and then I'm going to start with the other ones. I will keep you posted.